Welcome to POSable. In this video, you'll learn how to migrate data into POSable and how to use reporting to understand what is really happening in your business. Migration is often the most stressful part of changing POS systems. POSable is designed to make this process easy and controlled. To begin, download the POSable CSV templates for categories and products. These templates are structured to match the system exactly. Align your existing data with the column headings before importing. Always import categories first. The order in which data should be imported is categories, products, sales. This ensures that products get matched to the categories, and then sales are matched to both categories and products. Data migration is optional and depends on your previous provider. POSable supports sales imports using CSV files, including manual field matching where needed. Large imports are processed in batches to maintain system stability. As such, depending on the size of your sales data, this may take several minutes to complete. If your migration is complex, POSable support can review your data and advise on the cleanest approach. Some advanced migrations may involve additional support costs, but many can be handled as part of standard onboarding. Once you have all your data in the POSable system, you will be able to review reports in the Advanced Reports part of the POSable back office. Click the menu, drop down Advanced Reports, and then select one of the options from there to review your categories, products, and sales reporting. All reports are available for download in a variety of formats, ensuring compatibility with accounting software and other analytics software. That is all for the POSable migration video. Thanks for watching.